Hey guys, Carlo here. A few days ago, I did a review, unboxing, and an attempt to uncover the mysteries and secrets behind the Stranger Things Nike Cortez sneaker. If you guys watched that video, you saw me try, and I actually butchered the shoe by using pliers, an X-Acto knife, scissors, and even a lighter to peel off the upper layer of the sneaker to reveal the real look of the shoe, which is supposed to be like a denim, vibe. Now, unfortunately, I literally butchered the shoe. I tore into the denim fabric, I burned certain parts of the shoe, and it didn't turn out well. So, so what I did was I reached out to a professional. One of my colleagues at work is actually very good with cosplay, with clothes, with fabrics, and she made an attempt to, reveal the secret of the second shoe, the right pair, because I did the left sneaker, she did the right sneaker, and cleaned up the left sneaker as well. So today, I'm very excited to show you the finished product. This is the Nike Stranger Things Cortez Secrets Revealed 100% level. Let's go. By the way, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We do constant giveaways. The current one is a bunch of electronics and gadgets from LAZADA. This includes true wireless earbuds from JBL, Xiaomi headphones, Bluetooth headphones, Xiaomi power banks, Peak Tai Chi sneakers, and a bunch of other amazing items. To join, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community, and the rest of the details down below in the description box. Good luck. Boom! So this is the box. As you can see, it says there Nike, and at the back it actually says Nike, Stranger Things, Netflix, all the details of the sneaker. Now, I'll just jump right into it. Let's pop the box open. Bam! Take a look at how clean that shoe looks. Shout out to Leng. I'll put a link to her Instagram account down below. If you guys have the same shoe or the blazer or sneakers like this, and if you want somebody like a professional to do it for you so you don't butcher and wreck it, please do reach out to her. She charges pretty good rates, very affordable, very reasonable. Now, just so you see the comparison, this is the sneaker that I worked on. So I literally cut through the denim parts of the shoe over here. That white part shouldn't be there. I have scarring over here. It's the same also over here. Also, I mean, it was really bad work, guys. I mean, I didn't do a good job at all. I even burned certain parts, and that's the reason why the blue denim is uneven in terms of color, and that can also be seen here at the back. Now, this is how Leng did it, and it looks so much cleaner. The blue color is consistent throughout. The cuts are very clean. There is some fabric still clinging on at certain parts, but it's not that hard to clean up and remove. I mean, it just looks friggin' amazing finished. So if you take a look at the sneaker with the secret revealed, this is what it looks like. Now, obviously, I can actually still take out the fabric on the swoosh so that it's denim as well, and take out the fabric here along the laces, but I opted to keep that so that it still has a pop of color and it's not just a monochromatic or a single color shoe. So yeah, it's a pretty nice buy. I'm enjoying it so far. I'm loving the sneaker, and if you ask me, it looks so much better with the top peeled off versus the original gray dull color that it came in. Also, it's more obvious that it is Stranger Things because the Stranger Things logo are at the heel, so it pops a little bit more. So yeah, really love the work that Leng did on this one. Again, the link to her Instagram account, guys. If you want somebody, a professional, to work on this pair for you, give her a DM and yeah, find out what the rates are. Now, if you guys weren't able to catch my unboxing, this sneaker also comes again with the Stranger Things pins over here. So it says there Nike, Starcourt, as well as the Hawkins, what do you call that? Hawkins Power and Light van. And it also comes with extra black laces, so you can actually swap it out. If you want it more casual, you go with the white. If you want a little bit more contrast, you can go with the black. So you're probably thinking how this looks like on feet. Here we go. To those who are buying this, it is your typical Cortez, so please do take note that it is not the best sneaker for people with wide feet. I mean, take a look at how narrow the midfoot section is of this shoe. So if you are going to cop this and you have big and wide feet, you might want to consider going a full size up, maybe a half size up, depending on how wide your feet are. I actually went extreme on this one, guys. I went a full one size and a half up. So 1.5. So I'm naturally a size 12.5. This is a friggin' size 14. And it fits really well. So that's how I think I just have really weird sized feet. But anyway, it might be different for you guys. Now I wanted to do one more unboxing for you since it's still kind of early in the video. And today I wanted to do my unboxing and review of the sneaker that I picked up in a recent outlet trip. If you guys weren't able to catch my outlet visit to the Mamplasan Sports Warehouse, the Sneaker Bodega, as well as the Titan outlet in Paseo, the link to that can be found down below. So I ended up copying a Jordan 1 sneaker, a sneaker that has been sitting in the outlets for quite a while now, several months. So this is the Jordan 1, what do you call this, Asia exclusive in olive. So this is what the shoe looks like, and I was able to cop it for just 5,000 pesos or roughly $100. So let's take a closer look at the shoe and do a quick review. So this is the Jordan 1 Asia exclusive that I was able to cop from Titan. Now a few things that I think why people don't like it, and the things that actually make me like it. So the first thing is the fact that it has like all the text written on the lateral and medial side of the shoes. And it's actually different per pair. So if you take a look at the left pair, Nike is written on the lateral side, and then a bunch of Nike text is written on the medial side. On the other sneaker, the text on Nike is on the lateral side, while on the medial side, it says Air. So it actually looks good if you take a look at it because it's different from either angle. Now apart from the text, what I think also put people off is that it's not all leather, because you just have this part leather, this part leather, and this part leather, but the toe is some sort of like canvas or I don't know, neoprene, or I don't know what material, but it's definitely not leather, and it's the same with this shoe. So I think that particular styling kind of put people off. But personally, I like it because it is a little bit more breathable, it's a little bit more comfortable, and I'm kind of digging the text that you have over here. The only reason why I didn't buy it was because I knew that the prices would go down over time because it was sitting. So patience is absolutely key. And that's the reason why when I saw it sitting on the Titan outlet and it was on 30% off, I pulled the trigger. Honestly, I think you'll actually see this at 50% off in just a few months time because it still is sitting. But hey, I'm pretty happy with the purchase. I couldn't wait any longer, and that's the reason why I have it in my collection. Now, what are the redeeming elements of this sneaker, or what are the things that I love about it? Now, apart from the design, which I talked about already, a few more things to note. I love the all olive green build of the shoe. I love the vibe. It goes well with green cargo pants that I have, or even the black pants because the contrast is nice. It also comes with extra white laces, so if you want a contrast to the shoe, you can pop in the white laces and you get the contrast. But if you want a more subtle green look, of course, you can keep the green laces on. However, just like other Jordan 1s that I've had in my collection, from the Defiant to the Defiant Contour, even to the off-white Jordan 1s, the UNCs, Jordan 1s really aren't comfortable for me. They're not the best everyday sneaker. I can't wear them for extended hours because, well, they're not friendly for people with wide and flat feet. You don't get enough arch support. The cushioning isn't the best, so I usually put like some sort of special insole to help with the cushioning, but even then, it still is far off from other sneakers that I have in my rotation. So this is going to be more of, I don't know, like a sneaker that I will wear every now and then. It's not a sneaker that I will beat up mercilessly on a daily basis. So what do you guys think of this sneaker? Let me know in the comment section down below. Would you cop if it was at 50% off? That's what, maybe around 4,000, 3,000 pesos, 4,000 pesos. Let me know what you guys think. I'd love to hear from you. At what price point would this sneaker be acceptable for you to cop and bring home and add to your sneaker rotation? And that is our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked the double unboxing and double review that we just did. I hope you're all having a fantastic week, and I pray that you all have an amazing weekend up ahead. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom. Be the queen of cosplay herself. gaming icon, and of course, my fellow rapper of gamers from 2006. 530,000 pesos worth of gadgets. Kumita ka na ng 30,000. Pwede na. We'll bring the prize. Jamie, take it away.
Finally done shooting, guys. Abangan nyo yung aming full video with Carlo and LAZADA and of course, Amy and Leah.